Hello. The Posh law very clearly states that any organization, even if there are just 10 employees working there, and even if all the 10 employees are male, they should undergo periodic training in Posh awareness. Leave alone the legal aspect, leave the legal mandate totally. Posh awareness training is a must in every organization, mainly because it has been found that sexual need is the least of the motivator for sexual harassment of women at workplace. And most of the people against whom there are complaints are not even aware that they were indulging in something called sexual harassment. So this kind of a training is a must, because if you give them this sexual awareness training, which encompasses a lot of things, including Posh laws, gender sensitivity, and most importantly, it gives them a canvas of case studies about various sexual harassment cases that actually took place and various redressal mechanisms that had taken place. If this is given to them, people who are there standing in a gray area will realize that and step back before it blows up in boomerangs in their face. Now, besides Posh awareness training, another very, very important Posh training is the IC process training for members of your internal committee. Members of the internal committee of an organization must become highly skilled in the redressal mechanism. Therefore, they too should undergo periodic training in Posh IC process. Now, what is this periodic training? Periodic training means at least once, if not twice a year. Of course, Posh laws are not going to change very frequently, but the interpretation of Posh laws are left in the hands of the court. And the court might come out with several precedents and orders whenever a Posh complaint comes to them on appeal. And these are very, very frequent, and people have to become aware of what are these judicial precedents with regards to Posh. So periodic training is very, very important. And most importantly, the Posh training, whether it be awareness or IC process, they lend themselves beautifully on virtual platform. They can be easily adapted to the virtual platform, and your employees, wherever they are sitting in India, they can check into a Posh training program. So call me to explore further on the various aspects of a snappy and interesting Posh awareness training and Posh IC process training. Thank you.